Here at the Rammer booth at Con Expo, we're extremely excited to showcase our new demolition tool attachment line. We're standing here by the RPV 29R pulverizer. Rammer has been manufacturing and distributing for about the last 7-8 years in Europe, but it's our launch here in North America. So the RPV 29R is for processing concrete. You can use it for both primary demolition and secondary processing. This unit fits ranges anywhere from about a 55,000 pound excavator to a 70,000 pound excavator. We're extremely excited to release our Rammer RSS 23R scrap shear. It fits a range of anywhere, depending on if it is boom mounted or arm mounted, anywhere from 30,000 pound to 60,000 pound carrier. Obviously, its primary focus is for steel demolition, whether it's recycling, primary demolition, or just processing material. Standing in front of the RGP 23R, it's our new grapple line. This unit fits between a 45 to 50,000 pound carrier. It's ideal for primary demolition, sorting material, and stone placement.